Tired of the paycheck to paycheck grind? Feel like the financial game is rigged against you? Well, and it is, but what if you had the cheat codes? Welcome back to Money Skills. We analyzed interviews from self-made billionaires, the ones who started with nothing, to distill their complex strategies into 5 simple rules for young professionals. Let's draw up your escape plan. Advice number 1. Stop obsession over saving pennies and start obsessing over earning dollars. Frugality is good, but you cannot shrink your way to a billion. The billionaire mindset isn't just about skipping the latte. It's about figuring out how to add 50 grand to your income this year. Negotiate, side hustle, upskill. Expand the pie, don't just slice it thinner. Number 2, learn the difference between being a consumer and using leverage. Billionaires love debt, but only the kind that pays them. Using a high-interest credit card for clothes, that's poverty thinking. Using a low-interest loan to buy an asset that generates cash flow, that's wealth building. Kill consumer debt fast. Embrace leverage cautiously. Advice 3. Time is more valuable than timing. You are young. That is your single biggest financial weapon. Billionaires exploit compound interest relentlessly. Investing $500 a month starting at 25 makes you a millionaire. Waiting until 35 means you have to invest double just to catch up. Just start today. Number 4. The highest ROI is always on yourself. Warren Buffett says the best investment you can make is in your own abilities. Before you buy crypto or individual stocks, buy a course. Learn sales, learn coding, learn leadership. High-income skills are recession-proof and the fastest path to your first million. And finally, number 5. Shift from looking rich to being wealthy. Poor people buy liabilities to impress people they don't like. Wealthy people buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. Delay gratification now so you can own your time later. Don't just own. Becoming wealthy isn't magic, it's math and mindset. Which of these 5 tips are you going to execute this week? Let us know down in the comments. Smash the like button if you're ready to build your empire and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Class dismissed.